Today we are looking at the Beko WX842430W Washing Machine in white. Take care of the laundry load with the Beko WX842430W Washing Machine, which features a variety of programs to accommodate all types of washing. Large capacity. The WX842430W features an 8 kg capacity drum, ideal for large families or busy households. Take on the biggest laundry loads and wash up to 40 shirts in one cycle without compromising on performance. Wash programs. Find a cycle that suits your lifestyle as well as your laundry. With the quick wash function, you can enjoy gorgeously clean clothes up to 8 kg in just 28 minutes, so there's no need to wait hours for your washing to finish. The super quick program for small loads is perfect when you're in a hurry. Get up to 2 kg of clean clothes in a speedy 14 minutes and still enjoy fresh, clean results. Endorsed by Allergy UK, the WX842430W's anti-allergy program also helps remove dust mites, cat and dog allergens, pollen and bacteria, ideal of allergy or asthma sufferers. Time delay. For the ultimate convenience, choose the start time for your washing that's convenient for you. Time the cycle to start when you're out and it will be ready and waiting when you get back. With a delay timer that can be set up to 19 hours in advance, the WX842430W fits around your schedule. Easy to use. Designed with a large front-loading porthole, getting your washing in and out has never been easier with the WX842430W. The LED digital display also keeps you up to date with the time remaining on a cycle and the wash program selected. Energy efficient with an AAA energy rating, the Beko WX842430W is up to 30% more energy efficient than rated models, so you can save money on your energy bills and still expect great results. Highly efficient with a modern design, the Beko WX842430W washing machine is ideal for any busy household.